and welcome back to my channel. We have been staying in Weligama for the last 3 days and we have taken surfing classes with this great surfing school, Surf in Lanka. And yeah, we've been making a little progress on surfing. Well, I was only making a little, very small progress. Julius is actually up there now with the big waves, so yeah, it's pretty exciting. So we got a pretty good deal with the surf school. So it's $75 for 6 classes in total. So the classes are twice a day. So one in the morning and one in the evening. One of the best deals that you can find here in Weligama for beginners. So yeah, we are pretty happy with the progress. How was it?
Hard.
But did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah? It's good fun.
Good fun.
Hey, yours, sir?
Oh, wow.
Enjoy. Here we are, arrived at our new accommodation. Oops. Ooh. Yeah, we have a fish tank. Ooh, wow. The fish is so active. And we were asked to feed them as well, so every morning we'll need to add some food to them.
So cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. So this is the seating area. Yeah, Julius found this place on Airbnb. Look at the dining table. The lovely dining area.
Gonna be my new sport. Mosquito tennis.
Very nicely decorated. And here we have a kitchen. Wow, it's been a long time since we had a kitchen. So cool. And we have a smoothie maker. Ooh, I'm gonna be using that. And the rice cooker, probably I won't use that, but yeah, it's great to have. And we have a cooker as well. So really, really nice. Cool apartment. Well done, Julius. How much was it?
I think it's €30 per day.
So we reserved this place for 4 nights and looks like we are going to have a very comfortable stay. So we just got ready to leave our accommodation and we are heading today for a cooking class. We'll be learning to make a traditional Sri Lankan meal of the day, rice and curry. We are very excited about it. So yeah, let's see how we get on. We got some lovely tea and some coconut rotis, and here we are cooking with this lovely gentleman. He's teaching us all about these spices. Karu, his name.
You know what this is?
The one that you have to break now? Ah, it's...
No, it's different. Smelly.
You
know the smell.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yes, it's lemongrass.
That's the coolest kitchen
Yeah.
I ever cooked at. Look at that. So
Yes.
authentic. And from the pan and the cooker.
Coconut
Fire.
shell.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Oh, for the fire, to burn the fire.
Yeah, it's high fire like charcoal.
Uh-huh. Wow. And these sticks here, they're cinnamon branches. So mustard seeds are added last because they burn easily.
Start the popcorn.
This food our lunch cooking.
Or you use it for most dishes, yeah?
Yeah.
Like the
This
same
makes-
blend, yeah?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But if you want keep it longer, you seal here. This flowers also there.
But it's on the same tree. It's
Yeah.
like in few different
It's
stages.
ages.
You have already
It's,
grown.
1 month, 2 months, 3
Ah.
months, 4 months, 6
So you
months.
have it all
eight
year.
years.
You don't have to wait for the whole. It's
When
very
I
good.
pick ripened one,
Uh-huh.
within 1 month I can get another one. It's gradually coming.
Very good.
It's very useful to
Yes.
Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Is coconut
Yes.
leaves,
Ah, like the roof.
coconut ropes, coconut wood timbers.
Yeah.
And this one 10 months, but it 1 year. You see, you drink, I think, yellow.
Yes.
Yeah, it's young time. You can see they are yellow.
Uh-huh.
It's for drink.
Yes.
It not let ripen. Within 6 months, within 5 months, they cut. But this green coconut is let it grow.
But it's the same. It's yellow in the beginning and then becomes green.
No, it's various kind.
It's different kind.
Yeah, it's grow for drink. And with the tall trees also there is green coconut. This one, when young time I pick it, we can drink it like that.
Yeah.
But we don't cut it because we want coconut.
Yes.
That is, we grow for drink. It's not thick layer inside. Now I am going to show you how to husk out a coconut. I try. Now we are going to break it.
That's thick.
In yellow coconut, only very thin layer inside. It's very popular drink and valuable drink. Bottled coconut water, very expensive.
Yes. So good.
That's nice competition, popular competition in Sri Lanka traditional time. Scraping coconut.
Oh, really?
In that time, ladies come with half a coconut and with this one. Line, sometimes 50 ladies line and judge there. On your mark, get set, they call 1, 2, 3. Within few minutes, the first one with I am the winner.
Wow.
Modern.
Place here and not too much force down. Mild. Softly you touch it.
Yeah, it looks much easier.
You can eat it. Try.
So good. Julius, you go.
Coconut milk for cooking.
So creamy.
And it's also cinnamon.
Cinnamon, yes, a large one. Pour over the dal. Okay.
No?
Yes. We cook with the outer, clean inner side. And get that milk. Yes.
Are you enjoying it?
I am.
Yeah, it's good fun, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you don't need many ingredients, that many ingredients.
I need many spices.
Like you need many spices, but once you mix this, the curry spices, you can add them into all the various curries.
Black peppers.
Beautiful.
Just a little, yeah?
Coconut vinegar. To close it for 2-3 minutes.
This one here will be this vegetable sambal.
Yeah. It's star bean sambal.
Star bean.
Star bean, we call dambala sambal.
Tambala sambal.
This is paddy, is high grass.
Uh-huh.
With paddy, we can found paddy plant, we can found paddy seeds. Paddy seeds separated, and it's like this. Paddy gives us rice. Right. This countryside, farmers make paddy from field, and they hand over them to their ladies. Then countryside ladies' job is their responsibility. Give rice from paddy. They ready for it. Dry paddy under hot sun and put into the mortar. It's a very happy time for country ladies, young ladies. They ready to mortar paddy. Gather young ladies. They are singing, clapping, dancing, gossiping, everything. My visitors call it Karu's gym. It's burn calorie. The ancient grinder in Sri Lanka. When our ancient people want grind and make flour from any seeds or crops, they use it. It's rock. It's lower part and upper part. Yeah. Now
Oh yes, rice flour.
Rice flour.
Mm-hmm.
Put on. And vibrate this lightning. Yes.
Shake it a little bit.
Now right. This is the oldest grinder. We call it rock grinder. Rock grinder or chili grinder because of most used for dried chilies, grinding with it and make coconut sambola with it. Yes, finally we are going to make coconut sambola with it.
Wow. Thank you.
It's good.
Here the way we fry coconut.
Really good. Now you can make papadums at home all the time.
Yes. You just need to make this cooker
Yes, only.
first.
Oh, wow. Such a entertaining food making, isn't it?
Satisfying.
Yes.
One each.
These are also the spoons made from coconut.
These coconut shells and coconut trunk.
Uh-huh. So here we've got the papadums, red rice, the beetroot curry. This one is
Dambala
sambal. This here is
Eggplant moju.
eggplant, moju, and this one here coconut sambal, pumpkin curry, rice. Here we've got lentil dal, jackfruit, and fish. Beautiful. So, and now we enjoy delicious food. Wow, we've got such a colorful plate, a bit of everything. Looks amazing. So we received these recipes, recipe leaflet. So it's with all the ingredients, everything. So we can try to recreate these recipes at home, make the same curries. What a wonderful day we had. We absolutely enjoyed our surfing lessons and the cooking class, and everything was absolutely wonderful and amazing. And really, I recommend these local experiences to anyone visiting Sri Lanka, because it's absolutely wonderful learning these unique things from the locals. So yeah, and that was it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.